No, dog, you're making me nervous already.
You're not being safe to be hammered in, but it's not gonna happen right now. We're gonna hit it with nitrous. Finally doing another VR day, and I have my money mask that say ballin', you know what I'm saying? Like, where's your money mask at, bro? Dad, you got, what happened to your face, dude?
It's accidents.
Accidents. Let's expose this guy's car. So I posted him in the community page, bro, and Cheyenne, ever since last week when we did the sway bar, all of a sudden decided to go full ham. I see you, big bro. I see you. And then also the wing. I didn't even show the wing. Dude, damn. This is sick. This is actually a perfect idea of what's, because we're pretty much going to be clones. I'm not going to lie, I kind of got inspired and I'm going to steal the wing that he got. I'm going to do pretty much the same exact thing as Cheyenne, so this is dope. I'm really glad you did the single exit. Welcome back, brother.
Have you heard it?
I have. Oh, a social distancing high five? Enough flexing of Cheyenne's car, so I just wanted to show you guys that because honestly I'm pretty happy with how it looks too. I already know he's super excited. That's so sick. So the actual focus of today, we're gonna work on the VR30 again, finally. So kind of like a little mini break. Today we're gonna try and mate the VR30 with the manual transmission that comes in the 370Z from factory.
We're gonna mate up the tranny with the motor. By we, I mean him. I'm gonna yell at him what to do.
Exactly.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty beat up, guys.
He's just gonna, I told him just guide me since I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna pull out the motor yet again. So we got some mods on the way, but right now they're on back orders. I need those pulleys and the belt. Kind of start buttoning up the car once the transmission is on. I'm gonna try and make it fit today. I'm gonna mate the transmission with it, try and see what's realistically how bad it is and what 2 bolts it is exactly that don't go in. See how well it fits, what we have to do to jerry-rig it to make it work.
It's missing 2 bolts.
Yeah, if it's missing 2 bolts, I might not even fix it, to be honest.
You don't need to fix it, just send it. Put some epoxy in there.
Yeah, just RTV it. I might be putting in the trans today then.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, if that happens, I'll be putting on the drive shaft and everything back today.
Oh boy.
Oh, look who's here.
All right.
Oh man, look at this guy.
Pata Sucia.
Oh, dude.
Bro, I left my Crocs outside. Well, my Walmart Crocs.
Did you put it in all-wheel drive mode?
Bruh.
Yeah, bro.
That's when you put the little flap over the backside, the heel side. Motor and trans is going in today, and then also put on the custom flywheel that I have to show you guys. So I've actually had this part for what, like 2 months now. This is the JWT flywheel. But yeah, this is the flywheel that you need to keep the VR, well, to make the VR30 manual. Finally got the hoist out, lift. I wish I had a lift. And Jack, we're gonna get these popping. You got film duty or no?
Lawn duty?
Lawn duty, bro?
Mom's booty.
Yep.
Oh.
Alright, so we finally got the VR30 back out yet again. Now it's out in the air. I'm gonna go ahead and we're just trying to recommend it just to do the flywheel now, which makes a lot of sense since it's right in our face.
Clutch, flywheel, get it all done.
Yeah, just do it now.
Bolt up the tranny because there's really nothing to do.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off now. I'll shine guys me even more.
Because the OEM one for VQs come here to get this lined up with the current one. We just grind a chunk out of the tranny.
You know what?
Because I was thinking, I'm looking at it, we could just cut a chunk out of the tran here, put it there. I don't know.
I don't know. We'll see.
All right.
It's all talk until we actually get it on.
With the weakest air gun.
You guys have no idea how much of a struggle that was. Like, I didn't have the tools to take it off because every time Cheyenne was pulling it or we would pull it, it was just moving backwards, which apparently can make it jump timing. And I don't know anything about that stuff, so thankfully Cheyenne was here because I totally would have jumped timing. Flywheel's off. We gotta check if the pilot bushing, if this is if we gotta check if the pilot bearing is the same exact one used. But we have no idea right now. Let's find out. Looks like it's not. Nope.
Maybe.
I'm taking it step by step to see what it actually takes and what's needed to make this thing manual, but this is
Slowly but surely.
kind of hood, but that looks like even if you hit it in, it's not gonna go in, bro.
It might just make it, that's the thing.
I mean, dude, it's kind of ghetto, but it does it.
Ready?
Go. I feel like you're chiseling a fine statue. Probably a picture of me.
No. I don't think this is gonna fit at all.
Is it?
Yeah.
So everybody's kind of away from me, so we're practicing some social distancing. Felipe, social distance high five. Oh, L3. Okay, so for anyone that's gonna do this swap and keep it manual, there's the the bolts that come in the stock flywheel and the VR30. These do not fit, but what does fit are, and Cheyenne he doubted this at first. The ones that come on the VHR actually fit absolutely perfect. So hold up. These, I do not know if we can see it. It's probably too dark. Hold on. So these look exactly like what we actually need. The problem is I don't have the tool necessary to take that off, but thankfully neighbor is helping me out yet again, and he's bringing the tool so we can take off the VHR flywheel and confirm if it fits with the JWT flywheel, because if that doesn't fit right now, then I'm gonna have to try and figure out a creative solution, which might be going to a hardware store and getting longer bolts and try and figure out like how much distance I need, because these are too tiny and they don't even clear the flywheel that much. I think it only leaves like probably like a couple of turns, which ain't safe. I'm not trying to die from a flywheel. Once we get that on, we can mock up the transmission finally. It does look like a lot of them actually match up. We just don't know which ones exactly. So after a couple of hours of eating crap, we really have not been doing anything. We've just been sitting.
What are you talking about? We got the motor out.
Yeah, okay. So I finally got the bolts of the flywheel off from the VHR. Now I have a huge problem. I put the pilot bearing in the freezer. It got taken out. We have a quick solution to cool it to see if this might make it compress so that way it can fit
Working.
in here, because it has to be hammered in, but that's not gonna happen right now because it was outside too long. So Felipe thought of a very highly performance idea.
IQ 200 idea.
Yeah, so we're gonna hit it with nitrous. We're gonna see if that does it. Cheyenne's laughing like you guys are stupid, but it doesn't hurt to try. So I'm gonna put this here, and
See?
this is pretty ghetto.
I don't have
So
that much per play on it. Oh my god, Ray.
Good? All right, one more. Let's do it. Right, yeah, what a waste of nitrous, bro.
So expensive.
$40 a gap, baby. What's up?
Dude, yeah, look at this thing, bro.
That's not enough.
Should I hit it more?
Touch it.
Yeah.
No.
This is so ghetto.
It's not cold enough. Nowhere near cold.
All right.
You gotta put it in the freezer.
Hey, even though that didn't work, that was pretty damn fun.
Still pretty.
That was
a good idea. Though.
That was a fun way to waste some nitrous. So that really was really stupid.
I had that nitrous bottle for 2 months. I ain't used it. I had to use it on something.
We need to, first of all, make sure that the crankshaft position sensor fits. So we marked up the transmission belt housing, so we can go ahead and get that to fit first. Right now I'm having a huge issue with the pilot bearing. I'll try and tackle that another time. At least for now, we can do this highly performance crap, and we got the perfect guy for it. Is Roger peeing in the background?
Yeah.
Nice, Roger.
What's that little pee wheel?
Get that single dingle, you know what I'm saying? All right, so I do recommend, guys,
You're making me nervous already.
I recommend, guys, please be safe. We are not being safe. He's not even wearing protective eyewear, nothing on his hands. There's no guard on there. It's pretty
Open-toed shoes.
open-toe Crocs and all that. Like, come on, bro. Oh my, this guy's going full pata sucia, bro.
going to.
not the right
I'm gonna get the jigsaw because
It's not the right wheel for it.
that's not the right wheel. It's bouncing off.
Okay. All
I'm
right.
gonna get the jigsaw before
Highly
it
up
breaks.
performance
Before
AF.
it breaks and kills me.
Okay.
Or kills one of you guys.
Yeah, right. Highly up performance AF. So.
It's like it's not that the other side's thinner, but that side's
Sick. This so far is the most annoying part.
no, it's not. We've had a lot more.
What do you mean? What's the most annoying part?
This is the pilot bearing.
Oh, okay, true. The pilot bearings. I'm having the worst luck. Yeah, if I had the actual tool, it'd be no issue, but this is looking to be a fail right now. Thanks to Pinto Bean Performance and his hoodness, we did go ahead. We made well, he made.
So that's Nissan.
That's Nissan. This is
That's
OEM.
Pinto Bean.
This is Pinto Bean Performance. So
With the limited tools I had. Okay.
good job.
Pinto Bean.
So now we're finally getting into pilot bearing. We're almost there. We're trying.
Don't look at me.
Yeah, we're well.
Don't look at me like
Yeah,
that.
well, we're trying. It's almost in, so we're just that close. With a little bit of blood now as it's rolling down my thumb. We're almost there. So nice.
I got cut too.
Nice.
Okay.
Oh, you got casualty also? Dang,
Okay.
dude. Honestly, once that's in, dude, flywheel, clutch, mount this hoe, and I'm throwing it in the garage because I'm not doing that today. What? Wait, oh, hit that again? Ooh, okay. Waiting on the pulleys, buttoning up, and harness.
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 Horniness.
Whoa, that was
Whoa,
pretty funny.
geez.
1 out of 10, how ghetto was that?
11.
We got it to fit. The VHR one it didn't fit exactly like how in the forms it says it did. So I don't even want to say what I did just yet. I want to see if it fails first. If it works, I'll list exactly what I did. But yeah, it's in though. So now I'm gonna finally get the flywheel on, and I just really hope that this will actually allow the transmission to slide in like butter, baby.
You suffer in peace.
So pretty much everything dealing with flywheel, clutch, all that, you cannot baby it. It's like you have to be super aggressive to get this in. Even the JWT.
You're not supposed to.
You're not supposed to.
Let's phrase that correctly.
Yeah, well.
None of this is supposed to be aggressive, but I guess this was like just a thousandth or whatever, smaller, just a little bit, whatever. All it did was we put 4 bolts, 4 of these flywheel bolts in, and just gradually like pulled it each side, and then it just slid right in.
Yeah, which is
a good sign.
It's a good sign, but not normally what's supposed to happen. It's supposed to kind of like slide in before you do that. Yeah, just easy. But again, it's in, and we're the first ones on like outside of garage to do it, and
Idiots to do it outside.
the first idiots to do it outside. But we're good idiots because you know what? Now they're probably gonna make a kit that's a lot easier than this. But we're there. We're halfway there. The only thing now I'm scared of is how it's gonna fit with the transmission on.
It's gonna fit.
You know how I am, bro. I just get nervous. But we out here, baby. We did it. Cheyenne's doing work when he said he wouldn't, so I appreciate him and his hairline.
See, go a little bit, tighten a little bit. Let me see which way it moves this. Stop. Okay. So go to, what is it, 65? Okay. Now mark that. Mark
Okay,
it. Go.
once you hear the click, don't go more.
Yeah, right.
Give me
Go.
the marker. Oh, okay.
Mark it the side of it.
Okay.
Hey, once
Now go opposite to it now.
Okay.
you hear the click, that's
Do
it.
not go any more than the click, all right?
All right.
Okay, now mark that on the side. You'll know it's ready. You don't want to with torque, man. Mark it. I put it at 70 just because we're losing a little torque with the adapter, so it should be just in case.
But dude, this thing looks so beefy, bro, compared to the OEM one. OEM one, so wimpy. We're gonna finish this one up probably off camera just so we can hurry up because don't have that much time. So interesting. So thank God, clutch is on, everything, pressure plate's on. Now it's time to do some ghetto stuff to get the trans on. We're doing all right. Not that bad. Not that bad. So now I have to find some creative solution to try and get the transmission kind of jacked up a little bit. All right.
You take the movement and move it, bro. You have to tighten it again.
Shut up. So thankfully it's back in, this time with the transmission, flywheel, everything. Now we can move
Crank
towards
sensor.
Yes, cranks, the CPS is there. Like we're good to go. Now the hardest part is just the nitty-gritty stuff, which is like figure out the plumbing. I'm gonna have to put on the new pulleys, like I said, but you know what, honestly, the fact that we're here is awesome. Thank you guys. So honestly, I think I'm gonna leave the video right here. We're gonna finish it, so just button it up, get it locked down. I'm gonna put the bolts in the trans mount, and from there, to be honest, it's like realistically I don't really need to film. I feel like it's just boring from that point. So
just putting bolts in right now.
Yeah, so it's not really anything. So thank you guys for watching. As you can tell, it got super late. We ate so much crap in midday that I kind of regret it now, but it is what it is. But thank you guys, man. If you guys are excited, just like as always, and I'm super tired, I have the most massive headache right now, hit that like button, subscribe.
You have a headache, I have a hole in my face.
You got a wiener in your mouth.
A wiener in my mouth.